Hey everybody, welcome to my channel Stuff Survival. My name is Aaron and today I'm going to show you how to make a bird nest / tinder bundle. So basically a bird nest is a nest that is tinder that you use for fire that look like a nest of a bird, and it's basically the way you start the fire and how you ignite a bigger flame to use to ignite the big fire. So to make one, I have some grass, dry grass that I got in my yard. So I got this. I brought some dry leaf, not a lot, and what you got to ignite is some dry land and a char cloth. So I made a video on how to make a char cloth. I will include it in the link below so you can see. And to ignite, I'm going to use this sparker that I made a couple of years ago. It was a lighter, you can see. I hope it will work pretty good. And basically what it's produce the about the heat of a magnifying glass, or it's basically like a ferro rod, and it will just do the little ignite that you need to light the char cloth. So first, what you want to do before you ignite is to make the tinder bundle or bird nest. So let's do it. What you want to do is to take your grass or dry stuff and just take it to a bowl. Okay, now you want to start going into the middle with it and make a little like pouch like this in the middle, so you have a little hole here. Now what you want to do is to, no, this is not relevant, sorry. So you don't want to put it on the side and take your leaves, so like this. And now you want to start breaking them like this in your hands. Start just breaking them to little pieces, because you want it to be smaller things to catch the fire and a very dry one. And what you want to find is the best leaf and the drier it can be. Like I got this leaf all over my fire pit, but the problem with them that they dry, but there is some moisture in them still left. So now after you've done this, put it inside your tinder, like this, in the middle. Now take your dry land and put just above it like this, and the char cloth, and basically it's ready. If you don't have dry land, it's okay, just put the leaf, and if you don't have char cloth, you can use to ignite the leaf also with magnifying glass or something. So now what we want to do, I'm going to take the sparker and we're going to hope it will work and start, and maybe let's tear it apart a little bit so it will be smaller. And we're going to do like this until the char cloth will be ignite. We're going to tear it a little bit. Okay, so instead, let's do it a little bit easier. We're going to take the char cloth and tear it like this. So sorry if I got out of the camera side, I just need to look on my hand and not on the camera. Okay, now let's do it like this. Almost got one. Wait. Oh, okay. Here you can see that it's lit. I didn't know this. So now we're going to put it inside and close it a little bit and start blowing. And because we have the dry land, you can see it will catch really fast. And okay, wait again. Okay, so you can see we have fire. Now we're going to turn it up a little bit, like this. Be careful not to burn yourself. And just keep the air. Maybe some like this. Oh, it's still hot, but you can see you can make a good fire from it. Or we have some more dry land from here. Maybe if I can hold it like this. Wait, because it's really hot. Okay, and like this. You can see we still have this char cloth that is burning. So here it lit, and we have like a mini lighter. I will call it a lighter, a match maybe. So now we just need to put it like this. And it will catch eventually. Okay, so even with this small flame you can still ignite a big fire. So thank you for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe. Have a good day, my friends, and goodbye.